We scroll past 1,000 headlines every day: wars, politics, scandals. But somewhere in between, there are people who are quietly changing lives. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Pratishtha Raghav, and this is Point Blank. Social work is not charity, it is not a hobby, it is not something that looks good in your resume. It is a responsibility. We live in contrasting realities, in especially cities like Ghaziabad, where high rise buildings look down on people who cannot afford basic healthcare, basic drinking water, basic education rights. And when privilege and need grow poles apart, it is up to us to make social service essential. It reminds us that kindness, when organized, becomes a movement. And that is where Rotary steps in. Founded in 1905, Rotary International is one of the oldest and largest social service organizations in the world, with over 1.4 million members scattered across 46,000 clubs globally, with one simple principle: service above self. Rotary brings together people from all walks of life: doctors, engineers, students, lawyers, journalists, you name them. Together, they just don't talk about change, they make it happen. In India alone, Rotary has helped to eliminate polio, build schools, hospitals, and sanitation networks, empowered women and youth through education and training, funded disaster relief and COVID care programs across rural and urban India. And here in Ghaziabad, its work is deeply rooted in local community. The Rotary Club of Ghaziabad isn't just a club, it's a network of committed leaders and passionate change makers. Each member is a volunteer. They give their time, effort, skills for a better tomorrow. Together, they have achieved many projects that touch every aspect of life, like organizing free vaccination camps in underserved areas, scholarships and education sponsorships for underprivileged children, dialysis and mammography centers to make healthcare more affordable, and foundational projects like Nishulk Chikitsa Kendra, Vocational Silai Kendra, which is about helping women earn with dignity, and Diagnostic Center at St. Joseph's Hospital, Nandgram. Ladies and gentlemen, every rupee is transparent, every action is local first, and every success is shared. So, how does a Rotary Club function? It is not random, it is highly structured. The Rotary Club of Ghaziabad is powered by dedicated committees, each focusing on key areas like health, education, environment, youth development, vocational skills, etc. Every week, members sit down, assess real life problems, design solutions, allocate funds, and track impact. People support them because they show up. They don't wait around for big budgets, they act with what they have. The club receives fundings in forms of donations, tie-ups, and international grants. And by mixing in their hard work, over the past few years, they have achieved immense feat by organizing tree plantation across the city, conducted traffic safety and public behavior awareness, set up Interact Club in schools, inculcating leadership in youth, had countless blood donation drives, eye checkup, cancer screenings, and more. They're not just running events, they're building a culture, one of responsibility, unity, and service. And behind it all is leadership. Held this month was the 74th installation ceremony of the Rotary Club. And now Rotarian Vipin Kumar Goyal will serve as the current president, followed by Rotarian Dr. Prashant Mittal as the secretary and Dr. Amita Mohindru as the district governor. They carry forward the legacy of past leaders like President Rajkumar Garg and District Governor Deepak Gupta. Now, what makes Rotary so powerful? It's not just action, it's connection. They celebrate each other's birthdays, anniversaries, check when the other is unwell, guide each other's children. From the youngest interactor to the senior most Rotarian, they build a lifelong bond, one of values, friendships, respect, and service. Rotary is not just a weekend activity, it becomes a way of life. It becomes your chosen family. Looking at future prospects, the club is guided by the timeless four-way test of Rotary. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it bring goodwill and better friendships? And will it be beneficial to all? Because change doesn't always come from governments or policies. It comes from the people who are courageous enough to raise their hands and lead the way. And that is Rotary. The motto of service above self, the four-way test, and countless values clearly signify the pure foundation of this organization. And although Rotary Club of Ghaziabad may not make it to your Twitter trends or TV debates, they are changing lives. Quietly, powerfully, and forever. So the next time you hear the word service, don't think of it as a favor. Think of it as a duty. Because hope begins with action, and action begins with us. You all have been a wonderful audience. I was Pratishtha Raghav. This was Point Blank. I'll see you all in the next one. Jai Hind.